vegan. Sacho?
May prayer sa answer.
Good morning! Good morning! It's August 15, 2024 and it's Ama's 95th birthday. So, umuwi yung buong pamilya to celebrate her birthday and we're back in Vegan! Let's do our regular morning walks. Namiss ko maglakad sa Crisoles. Tignan natin kung open na yung Starbucks. Yung Starbucks dito, on theme din siya sa Spanish architecture. Sarado pa. Ang famous Irene's Empanada. At ang famous Calesa. Oo daw. Baka gusto niyo ako i-hire, pwede naman ng tourist guide. Kung gusto niyo ng vegan tour. Calesa daw. Nasundan tayo. Ito, souvenir shop. JTC Supermart. Kung gusto niyo ng OTAP. Sa Panaderia, JTC Bakery. And then, may coffee shop din dito. Actually, medyo bago-bago tong coffee shop na Amiens. Parang post-pandemic lang siya. And then, ang famous na Lucy's Antique Shop. Tapos sa kabila, Max's. Tapos kung naghahanap kayo ng restaurant to eat, meron din tong Cafe Leona. The best dyan. Try nyo yung bagnet sisig nila. Favorite namin dyan yung bagnet sisig nila. So, Marsha's at 1995 na cafe. Morning po. Tagantoy na po.
Ay, tagal na ka?
Opo. Opo.
Birthday ka niya po siya niya.
Ngayon po. Opo.
Tawag na road.
Opo. So, amin kami nagawid po from Manila. O yan. Tanungin natin si Papa mamaya kung sino siya kasi hindi ko din kilala. Pero kilala kasi si Papa. Saan-saan na naman tayo naglalakad. Pero sobrang liit lang kasi ng sentro ng Vegan. Kaya talagang may enjoy mo maglakad-lakad. Lalo pa ganda ng weather today. Ito, Plaza Burgos. May pa-zumba na sila dito. Tapos renovated na kasi to. Dati din dito sa labas lang. Yung mga kainan, empanada. Pero ngayon, naayos na kasi siya. Oldest na mga nag-empanada. Andito sila sa empanadaan ng Plaza Burgos. So, kung gusto nyo din, authentic din yung empanada nila dito. So, try nyo din sila. Ritz! Sit! Statue? Sit! Po? Other po? Spin! Pogi! Shoot! Sit! Statue? Api? Statue? Stand? March? 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 Statue? Good boy! Sit! Sad! Crawl! Bang! Roll over! Sit! Wait. Wait. Goliath. Goat. Gorilla. Gotham. Go! Good boy!
Ano na eh? Baka na naman, may kulay.
Happy birthday, Ama! Yay! Birthday, Ma'am. Happy birthday, Alu! Yay! Hi, vlog. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mother wish.
One, two, three, smile! Smile! Ma'am Shelly, smile! Listen!
Happy 91st birthday, Mama Shaw! We love you! Okay, that's it! Okay, kayo na!
So yung hinahabol nilang endorsement yan para sa president.
Pandemic pa yata.
Walang ibang ginawa ng
Toxic ka. Awanin. Awanin.
Ginails mo pa, ipakita na eh. At dapat glitter na eh. Okay, ampaw to Mamang! Hey! Happy birthday! From Nolly, Steve, and Jimmy! Yay! Nagsangit ka? Makapasangit yan. Baka agsangit na.
Ito naman po tayo sa episode ng Ganda-Gandahan. Grabe, focus talaga. Dahil dyan. Ay, may ganon. Ay, pakiblip, pakiblip. Wag ako.
Iba rin yung beauty nito, no? Iba-iba sila. Medyo classic ito yung parang kahit gulo-gulo kayo, may.
Okay ka sa color?
Yes.
So love it.
True.
Si Kaagbasan. Abaya! Sakpan! Ready kan?
Ready kan? Nya kaya mo iba gagarod.
Okay.
Kaya dagi jay bisitam damdama.
Very happy kayo tanda kayo amin ko naman.
Oh,
Yeah.
when.
Nabasa
Nagsangit taktatay. Si Kame gamin. Yeah.
Inayadam to nagsangida. Nagsaw kayo inayadam.
When.
Tanda.
When.
Nagsangida.
When. So, masapol nga agsangit da. La. E jay ti goal me. Goal namin umiyak silang lahat. Papunta na kami sa venue, sa convention. At 95th birthday ni Ama. Nagpintas kami. Nakalablab baga di lipstick mo.
May prayer in answer ko naman.
Answered prayer. Mga.
May prayer is answer nga.
When.
giving us the tools of business, the tools of the skills. Growing up, I realized it was not just about the profit and loss during those times. It was about teaching us the skills of discipline and commitment in keeping up with the business. Thank you very much, Mama. And I hope you appreciate, and I do believe you are very happy.
We wish many more birthdays to celebrate, Ma'am, para continue to spread your blessings, para marami ka pang katulungang mga tao. Enjoy your day. We love you so much, Ma'am. Take care always and good health. Love you.
All right. Thank you for always checking in on us. Even if my siblings and I are based in Manila, you always call and check if we're eating and if we're eating healthy. That's a big thing. Thank you, Ama. Happy birthday. Love you.
Okay. As you all know, yung mga close kay Amasyon, ako po ang resident clown ni Amasyon. And laging advice ni Amasyon before was always choose happiness and always gawin natin kung saan tayo masaya, kung saan tayo di nakakatapak ng tao. Kaya Amasyon, hanggat nandito ka kasama namin, hindi ako mag-asawang pasayahin ka dahil yun ang susi for a longer life. Kaya 95 years, nandito pa rin si Ama kasi lagi siyang masaya, pinipili niyang magpatawa, magpasaya, and mahalin yung mga nasa paligid niya. So, Ama, happy birthday.
Ama Sean, happy birthday. Thank you for teaching us how to live life to the fullest. And at 95 years old nga, very young and very fresh and very happy si Ama. Kaya ikaw ang goal namin talaga in life. And thank you to everyone for being here kasi each one of you became a part and has a part in Ama's success, fulfillment, satisfaction in life. And thank you to everyone here. Kung gaano ka-red ang lipstick mo today, and kung gaano ka-red ang mga lipstick na pinaglalaroan ko sa kwarto mo at pinuputol ko nung maliit ako everyday, na nakakarami ka ng supply ng lipstick sa kwarto mo. Ganun din ka-pula at ka-vibrant at ka-alive ang pagmamahal ni Ama sa lahat sa inyo. So thank you everyone for being here. And nandito lang kami lagi sa'yo. We love you forever and always. I love you, Ama.
Very well said.
Hi, Ama. So, I think nasabi na nila lahat. And my only wish sa'yo is be young and beautiful always. Happy birthday, Ama. I love you.
Happy birthday!
This song is for you. Ito po ang favorite song.
Talagang malapit itong pamilyang ito sa amin. So, congratulations again for celebrating your birthday. 95th. Basta ka pa. Sa tindahan nila, nakangiti. Paghapon, pagpasya ako doon, nakangiti pa rin. Siya ang pinakamasaya na kaibigan ko. Another piece.
Wow! Chinese? Naintindihan mo ba yun? Bilang nauna tayo sa dessert, we have mango cheesecake. Sarap. Tapos nung mango niya sa taas. Cashew sa Tribal. The best yung sa Tribal ni Tita Marcia. Sarap. Coffee panna cotta. Para siyang coffee jelly in pudding form. Goods naman. Ba't ka umiyak kanina? Umiyak tuloy kaming lahat.
Kasi huwag kang umiyak, naiyak din ako.
Ako naiyak. Hindi ako, naumiyak din ako. Ito umiyak din to.
Parang si mama.
Ikaw umiyak ka. Umiyak ka ba?
Damay nyo na rin ako sa sigawan. Awa nyo natin. Maestro, music please. Yo!
Say
heart, a living testament to the love that binds our family together. Watching you grow has been one of the greatest joys of my life. You are the future of our family, and I have no doubt that the legacy of love, hard work, and faith will continue through you. Your presence here today touches my heart in ways words cannot fully express. It reminds me of the incredible journey we've all shared together. I want to leave you with this. Cherish your loved ones. Hold them close. And never let a day go by without telling them how much they mean to you. Life is fleeting, but love is eternal. It is the love we give and receive that makes life truly meaningful. From the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of Ama's heart, from the bottom of our family's heart, I thank you all for making this day and my life so incredibly special. I am deeply blessed, and I will carry the memory of this day with me always. To everyone, allow me to say, JTC, just take care. May God bless you all, and may we continue to walk this journey together with love in our hearts and hope in our souls. Thank you very much.
Pack up na, pack up.
Video yan?
Ay, video pala.
Ay.
Come here. Yes. Good night. Good night. Celebration's done. Kumusta ka dito? Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye! Fountain pala dito, sis. Kaya nga. Kaya doon nagkaroon si Bad Breath. May...